and this is obviously the first live-action DreamWorks movie. Are there any other DreamWorks animated movies you'd love to see turned into live action?
No, you said such a good one.
Rise of the Guardians.
We think Mason should be Jack Frost. I think that would genuinely be such a good idea.
That's always been a dream of mine.
And Mason would be such a good Shrek.
You should play Donkey.
Stop. Have you watched Paddington?
Yes.
Have you actually watched?
Yes.
Yes.
Everybody's.
Yes. I don't believe a word out of that mouth.